Good morning. I just out here fishing this morning by myself. Everybody else is still in the bed. And out here at Barbara and Jim's, just caught me a nice little trophy here. Want everybody to take a look at this pond. This was my first cast. Everybody else is in the bed, but hopefully we'll get another one here pretty quick.
Don't be following me with that.
Now it's red. Okay, Frank, here's your chance. Get that big one.
You done blew it now.
Nom.
Get that last
That's
one.
old minnow. That looks like a sardine on the end of there now. Pressure's on.
Did you get my fish? Or did you? You don't know?
Mm-mm.
About 4 you've missed. Oh well.
So much for Frank Brown Outdoors.
We need to get your glasses down
All right,
here, child.
I got you. Go. Get it.
Okay, bring her in.
You got me?
Oh, he's a big one.
Woohoo!
He's the same one you caught 3 times ago.
Poor little fish is hungry, and we're not giving him nothing but plastic.
That's not the same one, folks.
He's a little smaller, right?
Yeah, he's about the same size, but
Bonk.
Oh well.
That was fun, right?
So much for Frank's Outdoors.
You shut up.
There we go.
All right.
Frank Brown Outdoors.
Right here in Stanhope, North Carolina. Bringing in the big one.
Uh-oh.
oh, shoot, he's smaller than the other one. I thought he was going to be a big
He's a fighter.
one. Yeah, he's
Stay tuned. The next one will be 20 pounds.
Stay tuned for the next episode of Frank Brown Outdoors.